The Ponek M100 Bluetooth label maker feels compact yet solid in the hand, and it arrives with multiple rolls of different sized labels, so you can start organizing right away. Its wireless connection to Android and iOS through the companion application is straightforward, making it easy to design and print labels from a phone or tablet without dealing with complicated setup. The application stands out with a very large library of icons, fonts, and templates, which lets you create anything from simple storage stickers to polished price tags and barcode labels. Support for a wide range of label widths makes this machine practical for small businesses, home organization, school supplies, and office filing systems alike. Direct thermal printing means there is no need to buy ink or toner, yet the text and barcodes come out sharp enough for scanning and professional use. Battery life is impressive, allowing thousands of labels on a single charge, and the smart label feeding helps reduce wasted tape when printing frequent batches.